one more thing. You may be wondering, what's the deal with Scrappy Wonder Woman? I like Wonder Woman. My name is Diana. When I was a little girl, there were these things called underoos. If you grew up in the 80s, you may know what underoos are. So I was gifted a pair of Wonder Woman underoos. You gotta understand, there weren't very many superheroes, girl superheroes, growing up. So I had a pair of underoos, and they were Wonder Woman, and I thought they were fantastic because I loved Linda Carter as Wonder Woman. And so I would put my underoos on, and I would go outside. Mind you, I was probably like 5, maybe 6. So I would go outside in my regular clothes, and you know, when she would spin, the fire would come out, and she was always standing by like an aluminum trash can. And so we had an aluminum trash can. So I made sure that I was standing by the aluminum trash can. This is a really long story. Anyway, long driveway, metal trash can. I would spin around, and I would take my clothes off, and I would run around in my underoos, and I would save the day. And I'm pretty sure my neighbors thought I was a really strange kid because I had an active imagination, but I loved my underoos. So I really, really like Wonder Woman. So where does the scrappy part come out of? Well, I could be a lot of different things, but I, at one point in my life, was a professional scrapbooker. And so to differentiate, Wonder Woman, scrapbook, but I can say, scrappy can stand for different things, like, hey, I'm pretty scrappy. I can get up and I can work hard and I can fight pretty good. And I like that part. I really appreciate you watching this video all the way to the end. Hope you have a really fantastic day. Bye.